जकाल, जय काल। कौन सा काल? जय काल। हमारे यहाँ आता है ना काल, महाकाल, जय काल, सम सीरियस में पहले दीज आर द थिंग्स। हाँ, जकाल जो भी। And then comes, which I said that the first one I am talking about, I said that Kharaj. क्या हमने बोला? Kharaj. And this is a tax on land of Hindus. Simple, ये याद रखिएगा। Tax on land of, तो अच्छा मुझे बता खड़ा कौन रहता होगा, हिंदू या मुस्लिम? हिंदू को खड़ा करके रखते होंगे, so that you can remember खड़ा. It is a tax on Hindus land. Understood? The next one is I said that Jizya. Jizya is on the, what is a religious based. It is a religion based tax, and it has been taken by whom? Non-Muslims, means Hindus, Brahmins and everyone. Yes. So it is in a what? क्योंकि बोल रहे थे कि I have to protect you. I am protecting you. It means you need to give tax. अब थोड़ा सा मुस्लिम से भी प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स ले रहे हैं, तो प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स को क्या बोला गया? यस, तब मुस्लिम थोड़े से खुश हो गए, हिंदू खुश हो गए। चलो काल को मैं क्या बोल सकता हूं? जय काल। आई कैन से काल को मैं क्या बोल सकता हूं? टेल मी। मुस्लिम उस समय कैसे थे हिंदुओं के लिए? काल। नाउ वी कैन से जय काल। Then now they started taking what is a tax on property of Muslim 2.5%. And kham, क्या है? Khams, जो वार बूटी आता था, कलेक्शन होती थी, लोगों में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता था, उसमें से 150 goes into the government. Understood it? ट्रेजरी में जाता था। बाद का छोड़ दो, क्या होता है 4/5. So I said that which are the taxation system we have seen? Tell me. खराज, खरा हो गए कौन? हिंदू टैक्स 10% अराउंड, कितना है? 10%. And then a tax by non-Muslims, jizya. And then I said that jakal, it is 2.5%. And then comes 1/5 war booty. And then I said that several books which has been converted into what is in a Hindu religious, translated Hindu religious texts and Sanskrit books on music into Persian, built new towns. If you see the towns कौन से built किया Mr. If you see here, यहाँ पे आएंगे तो पंजाब बॉर्डर पे, पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर पे there is enough, which one I said that? Firozpur. And if you come towards Haryana, this it is Fatehabad, and here we will see Hisar. What is it? Sorry, here it is Hisar, and this is Fatehabad, and this is Firozpur. Thereafter, Delhi, Firozabad. A cricket match at the ground. Firoza Kotla, Firozabad, and then he moved towards UP, or UP में क्या? Jaunpur. Understood that these are the famous city who has made. Who has made? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. First it is Firozpur, Hisar, Fatehabad, Firozabad, and then Jaunpur. These are the city. And then we have seen that अब देखते हैं, he has made several hospitals, canals, dams, mosques, and repaired Qutub Minar when it was struck by lightning. And how many stories he has given? 2. Built his capital Firozabad, and to beautify it brought 2 Ashoka pillars. कहाँ से लेकर आया था? Ambala in Punjab side से, and one it is from the Meerut. And then I said that one from Topra in Ambala and other from the Meerut. Therefore it is known as Delhi Topra. And then was found of what is in a slaves. Slaves रखने की इसकी बड़ी आदत थी. देख लो कितने slaves हैं, count कर लो. How many? 1,80,000. क्योंकि वो slaves के बीच में अच्छे से रह सकता था. दूसरों के बीच में रहेगा, उसकी क्या निकल जाएगी? फट जाती है. Fatuhat wrote a book which book he has written? Fatuhat. Can you remember? जब भी फट्टू वर्ड आ जाए, it means understood. Fatuhat Firoz Shahi. Which book he has written? Tell me. Fatuhat Firoz Shahi. And then he gained notoriety for temple breaking, and Mathura was destroyed during his period. And then Barni. Al-Baruni nahi, Barani. Who is? Barani. In his court, who has well known for the works of history, Tariq-e-Firozshahi and Fatwa-e Jahangiri. Which are the two books he has written? Barani for the Firoz Shah, Tariq-e-Firozshahi and Fatwa-e, yes, yes. तो उसकी एक बड़ी रानी थी, कौन थी? Which kind of रानी? Firoz Shah has छोटी रानी and बड़ी रानी, बरानी, अंडरस्टूड? बड़ी रानी. एंड बड़ी रानी ने क्या किया था? फिरोज शाह के खिलाफ क्या किया था? फतवा जारी कर दिया था. क्या कर दिया था? क्योंकि बड़ी रानी को टाइम ही नहीं देता था. So I said that Barani. What is he has written? Firozshahi and Fatwa. Fatwa means Firozshahi means Tariq-e-Firozshahi and Fatwa-e Jahandari. Can you remember? Yes. And what he has written itself? Fatuhat. आपने क्या लिखा था? फट्टू. स्लेब के बीच में कहता था फटुआ. Firozshahi. And then what बड़ी रानी has written? Tell me. Tariq-e-Firozshahi. बड़ी रानी ने क्या किया? फिरोज शाह तुगलक के अगेंस्ट what he has given? Against Firoz Shah, he has given fatwa. Tariq-e-Firozshahi and Fatwa-e Jahandari. Understood? अब आगे ख्वाजा अब्दुल मलिक इस्लामी. एंड देन यहां पर भी क्यों आ गया इतना सारा फतवस सुलाती? क्या है? अगेन वहां पर हमने क्या बोला? जब भी फट्टू वर्ड आ जाए इसका मतलब दैट इज रिलेटेड टू फिरोज शाह जरूर रहेंगे. ख्वाजा अब्दुल मलिक. क्लियर? एंड उसके बाद यू नो दैट आप लोग जितनी भी लाइफ में वर्ल्ड में जितने भी हस्बैंड देखते हो ना, दे आर लुकिंग लाइक सुल्तान. दे आर लुकिंग लाइक. और घर में एक्चुअल में क्या होते हैं वो? फट्टू. दैट्स गुड. जितने भी लोगों के फादर है दिखाने के, लेकिन उनकी माँ के सामने नहीं चलती है. वहां पे तो थोड़ा सा दिखा देते हैं. आउटसाइड यू कैन नेवर बी एबल टू फाइंड व्हाट दे आर टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर. सो आई सेड दैट. हमने क्या बोला? आप लोग सोचते हैं कि हम अब्दुल्ला बनेंगे. अब्दुल्ला बनने के बाद हम लोग क्या बनेंगे? मालिक बनेंगे. अब्दुल्ला क्या बन गया? मालिक. क्या बन गया? लेटर ऑन रियलाइज्ड अब्दुल्ला दुल्हा मिस. अरे आप लोग क्या है? ब्राइडल ग्रूम बनोगे कि क्या बनोगे? ब्राइडल ग्रूम, दुल्हा बनोगे. अब्दुल्ला. एंड दुल्हा लुक्स लाइक, उस दिन सबसे ज्यादा खुश होता है फॉर द लास्ट टाइम. एंड आई सेड अब्दुल्ला क्या हो गया? मालिक. मैं केवल आप लोगों को याद करने के लिए बोलता हूं. डू नॉट टेक इट सीरियसली. सो आई सेड दैट अब्दुल्ला क्या बन गया? मालिक. कब? उसके बाद में ही रियलाइज दैट आई एम आउटसाइड सुल्तान. आउटसाइड एक्चुअल में फट्टू, आउटसाइड सुल्तान. फतवस सुलाते. Can you remember? So which are the books I said that? He itself wrote. Which book? Fatwa, Firozshahi and Barani, बड़ी रानी. Tariq-e-Firozshahi and Fatwa किया था? Fatwa-e Jahandari. And then Abdul Malik Islami. What he has written? Yes. Fatwas Sulatin. Clear? And another I said that which are the things? Diwane Khairat, दारुल सफा. हमने बोला था दारू खैरात में देते हैं, दारुल सफा. एंड दिस इज फॉर हॉस्पिटल. एंड देन 2 coins. अब इसके पास पैसे नहीं है तो ही विल गिव सिल्वर और कॉपर. टेल मी. कॉपर. एंड कॉपर को भी उन्होंने क्या कर दिया? आधा कर दिया. जो पहले था दैट इज ड्यूरिंग द अलाउद्दीन खिलजी. देयर इज 2 things आर देयर. देयर इज अ टंका एंड जितल. And tanka is made up of silver and the jital is made up of copper. And इन्होंने अब कॉपर को भी अद्धा कर दिया. अद्धा. That is known as 50% of jital earlier. And then 25% it is in a bhikmanga. I said that. Addha bhikmanga. So I said that Addha and Bhikkhu. Which are the 2 coins? Yes, tell me. Addha and Bhikkhu. Bhikh. Clear? And thereafter last में नसरुद्दीन महमूद मरने के लिए आ जाता है हमेशा. And Nasruddin Mahmud has been what? Finished. Timur invaded. And Timur 1398. Timur when invaded, he did one, you will see like I said that one battle of Karnal, Nadir Shah. that he has invaded in 1739. जो आप लोग देखेंगे in the I said that modern India and all. I said that Nadir Shah, and thereafter we will see there is I said Mr. who? Timur. Delhi was flooded with blood. Flooded with blood. And who has done? One I said that Timur, another you will see what? कौन था? Yes, tell me. Nadir Shah, 1739 Battle of Karnal. I said जिसमें Muhammad Shah Rangila was what is na? The ruler of Mughal Emperor, declining Mughal Emperor. Do you know that third Battle of Panipat who has fought? Muhammad Shah Abdali, Marathas. Clear? तो I said that उसके बाद 1739 के बाद आप लोग देखोगे 1769 का 1761 in that again there is a Muhammad Shah Abdali. Understood? So these are the wars you can see. These are the wars you can see blood. There is a large amount of blood. Yes? Clear? Which battle? Timur invasion 1398. And then 1739. I said that 1739. So I said that 1398. Timur. And then I said that 1739. Yes? Nadir Shah. And then another I said 1761. Yes, Muhammad Shah. I'm sorry, Ahmad Shah. Understood? ये तीन बैटल ब्लडी थे, ब्लड, फुल ऑफ ब्लड्स. आई सेड दैट और देखेंगे इन्हीं के पीरियड में नसरुद्दीन मोहम्मद तुगलक में. एंड देन फाइनली यू नो दैट इन 1413 this empire has been finished. This empire has been, and then Timur. आप देखोगे who has helped Timur? Timur का invasion को आप लोग पढ़ लेंगे आप लोग. Who has helped Timur? Khizr Khan has helped Timur. Who has helped Timur? Khizr Khan. And then you can be able to see that Khizr Khan founded the dynasty. And he claimed to have descended, and now हम लोग कौन से डायनेस्टी को रह गए? सैयद डायनेस्टी. Which dynasty? And तुगलक में हमने क्या किया था? Yes, tell me. तुगलक में what we have seen? खिज्र खान आने से पहले. Yes, tell me. इससे पहले हम लोगों ने अलाउद्दीन खिलजी फिनिश किया. Miss Khilji dynasty and the two dynasty. Before the class we have finished with Slave. And then we have finished with Khilji and the Khilji. I said that there is an Alauddin Khilji, Jalaluddin Khilji, Alauddin Khilji, and then last में कौन आ जाता है? नसरुद्दीन. खिले मरने के लिए नसरुद्दीन मुबारक साहब. And then I said that क्या नाम बोला मैंने? Jalaluddin Khilji. And Jalaluddin Khilji, who became the emperor of India, and he thought that in India the population of Delhi, the Hindus are more and all. So it will be not Islamic state, it should be what is a secular kind of thought. Yes or no? And Jalaluddin Khilji has one, I said that, son-in-law and nephew. What is the name? Alauddin Khilji. And Alauddin Khilji ko he sent towards the one Yadwas of Devgiri. And when he reached the Yadwas of Devgiri, he completely lifted, and then lots of wealth he came along with. Another portion what it is there, he tried to make northwest to be stronger. Therefore, he made her daughter's marriage towards the what I said that Ulugh Khan. That is belongs to Timur and all. And thereafter, what he has done? Yes, thereafter Alauddin Khilji conspired and killed Jalaluddin Khilji, his uncle. And when he came, then when he killed, then he come and then he killed everyone, every Balban, every Jalali, every portion who was associated Mongols, जो उनके साथ था, everyone has been what? Killed. And thereafter what he did, Alauddin Khilji ने क्या किया? Yes, and thereafter he moved his power towards, I said that, Ajmer, Ranthambore, and then Gwalior, and everything he tried to capture. Understood? And then all the rulers which has been there in the what is trying to create problem. Alauddin Khilji ने ये नहीं किया था. Alauddin Khilji started what is attacking towards, I said that, first attack towards Gujarat. Where he has attacked? Gujarat. And वहाँ पर क्या किया था? Waghela king. And Waghela king को क्या किया? Yes, tell me. Yes. Who is the Kamdev? Who is the Rai Kamdev and his wife Kamla Devi. He did this, and then he also took one second important part, Malik Kafur, 1000 dinar. And thereafter he attacked towards again Rajputas, and the Rajputas are in the form of, yes, which are the Rajputas? And then Mewar and Malwa. Chittor. Mewar ko hum log bolte Chittor. And the famous one was, I said, that Gehlot king. Which king was there? Gehlot king Ratna Singh. And the Ratna Singh was there, his wife Padmini, who has done Johar. Understood? And thereafter the Chittor has been as this is the thing that Alauddin Khilji has done, and thereafter he has given importance to the Malik Kafur. And the Malik Kafur has moved toward the Yadwas of Devgiri. He captured Yadwas of Devgiri. He captured, that is in Hoshala of Dwar Samudra. He captured Kakatyas of Warangal and Pandyas of Madurai. He is able to reach to the Rameshwaram itself. And he also made mosque. And thereafter the strong power he has got. And then slowly and slowly he become the puppet in the hand of Malik Kafur. And then we have been able to see, like I said, और हमने क्या देखा था? Then he did, because if he has lots of money, Alauddin Khilji ने क्या किया? What he has done, Alauddin Khilji ने? Yes, खाली था. ये क्या था? He has done something administration, something he has done in the, yes, agriculture, revenue reform, and something in the economy. Yes, and then in the economy, what he has done? Sorry, what is in the administrative reform he has done? First he has given, that is Chehra and Dag. And Chehra means, I said that, yes, every details of the every army portion. And then I said Dag for the detailed account of what? Horses. And thereafter what he did in this system, best, he made the best espionage system. And then he did not allow any kind of what social gathering, and even the nobles and their families should be under the marriage alliance. And then try to, what is the liquor, intoxicant, everything he tried to what? Put it